Okay, so here we have a scenario where I've got my summary sheet here. Basically, I want to add up my total for my printers from Galway, for Limerick, and Athlone together. All right, and then essentially I want to copy it down. Now, the method you can use here is faster because it basically means you can kind of select multiple sheets, but it is predicated on the idea that the thing you're looking for is in the same cell in all your sheets. So, for example, here it's in E6. I go to Limerick, it's in E6. In Athlone, it's E6. Okay, so click here, go equal. So you start with equal sum from your left bracket. Click on Galway, click on the total. Then you just go down to Athlone here, hold down the Shift key, and close your brackets and press enter. Okay, and that gives me 609 here. Now let me just kind of also check it here. So if we just go equals Galway, this one here, and then go plus. This is what you'd use if, for example, things are not all in the same place. It's slightly more, and then press enter for the last one, 609. All right.